Recording the sewer line here at 1928 12th Avenue West. Recording this from the roof vent. This is as far out as we're able to get the camera. We are maybe 40 feet outside the property. Probably not even that. Having even less luck getting the camera through the toilet line. So this is our best bet. We're going to pull back from this location and get a little bit of a look at the line. So we're getting a little bit of toilet caught up, paper caught up right here. Tough to determine why, but this is probably one of the spots causing an issue. I have this located. There's a tie-in on the right side of the pipe. You see up there that half moon. That's a tie-in. Guessing maybe the kitchen line, possibly a downspout. There's a sharp turn in the concrete line right here. Another sharp turn in what looks like old concrete or possibly clay there. And then back into the cast iron. Cast iron line ends right there. That's what I have located about 4 feet deep right outside the foundation of the house itself. Pull back from there. Coming up the vent here. There, we're out of the vent. So, see the vent stack? Beautiful gray Seattle day. It's the end of the recording. I'm going to put together a little proposal to give us some options to stop these backups from happening. End of the video now.